Good morning, YouTube. Well, guys, I have some really bad news. My Hellcat is down. Let's check it out and I'll show you what I'm talking about. It's gonna be a little loud, so you can hear it running, but as we get closer, shut the car off a second, but you can definitely hear it making a different noise than what it should. So that is that. So shouldn't drive it, undrivable. So I'm gonna have to trailer it, take it to the shop, and either replace it with the same blower or put a different blower in. So bad news. So there might be a little shortage of some videos for a little while until I get it replaced. But I'll have some other videos going on, just maybe not as much with my other vehicles. But no, not clickbait. Just wanted you guys to see that it's for real. It's never a fun day, but price you pay. And you know, these cars are known to have that issue already. They have made some changes, I believe, after 2017 by reading all the different forums. But there's definitely issues with these superchargers. So hopefully I can get the right one in, and from there we can not have this issue again. Because I would really like to get back up and running and get closer to drag racing sooner than later. And summer's upon us. Today was a great day, 87 degrees. So love it, but unfortunately stuff happens, and it's not due to the mods. Do the mods accelerate the issue? Possibly, but if you look at people that have never modded their cars, some people are getting a few thousand miles, some people are getting 9,000 miles, you name it. I'm just hitting, I think, around 10,000 miles. So you never know. It is what it is, but gotta look the best of it. I'll either look at the same exact supercharger or throw in a different one, but you can hear the pinning, the knocking. The only thing that's odd is I haven't lost any power that I can tell. I did drive it to work today. I did smell an unusual smell. I would say it was probably my clutch, though. I haven't changed out my clutch, so there's a possibility I'm going to be doing that as well and putting in a race clutch. But you know, I sent a little video to my tuner just to see what he thought, and that's one thing. You know, Tim Barth is amazing. I felt bad bugging him. I bugged him on his personal, but sent him a message with the video. Had him listen to it, see what he thought, because you know I'm not going to drive all the way there. And first thing he said is your blower's shot, and I thought it was the bearings. I've watched a lot of YouTube videos trying to say what is that noise, and I don't hear it when I'm driving because the car's too loud. But I definitely heard it when I parked, and I'm like, that doesn't sound right. So lo and behold, unfortunate. But I'd rather share it with you guys, so you know when you guys have these cars, and or you hear buddies or whatever the scenario ends up being, at least you can try to troubleshoot it, and you know you shouldn't be driving it because you can make the damage worse. I don't want to blow a pin or a rod or have anything else malfunction. So there it is. sorry guys, this ain't fun, but I'm gonna end this video and figure out what I'm gonna do next. Thanks, have a great day, and if you like this video, fortunately it's not a great video because it's a bad day, but like, subscribe, and comment, and don't worry about me. I'm not gonna clickbait because I hate those videos. Have a great day. All right, let go of the clutch.
I'm a ranger in name's danger. Oh. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.